A warm greetings present over here. I am Dr.E.Kamatchi, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, PG. Today I am going to discuss a topic, transportation contract negotiation strategies for cost reduction. So the reduction of transportation cost focusing on the leveraging shipping volume, optimizing modes, LTL to FTL, intermodal, negotiating accessories, fees, fuel, surcharges and utilizing data for the benchmarking. Transportation contract negotiation. So there is the emphasizing cost reduction strategies and best practices. Current state analysis, understanding your transportation spend, gather data, analyze trends, collective comprehensive data on your current transportation spend, including rates, accessible charges, and shipment volumes. Analyze the trends, identify the key trends of your spend, such as the peak seasons, route patterns, and carrier utilization. So this is the key strategies include the consolidating loads, diversifying carriers, using TMS, auditing invoices, and locking rates through the RFPs, improve efficiency and reduce the various. Key cost components breaking down the rates and accessible charges, base rates, accessible charges, and fuel charges, surcharges. Base rates also negotiating competitive rates based on the type of freight, distance, and mode of transport. As accessorial charges, the review and negotiating charges for the services like fuel surcharges, retention, and layover. Ensure fuel surcharges and aligned with the industry market fluctuations. So they analyze the historical data, use the transportation management system to understand the true spend, land densities, and carrier performance before negotiating. Benchmark rates, research current market rates using digital platforms to ensure you are paying competitive prices. Map freight profile, clearly define your volume, weight, frequency, and lands to show the carrier exactly what they are bidding. So strategic negotiation tactics, leverage volume, use high shipping volumes to secure tiered discounts, diversify carriers, avoid single sourcing, use multiple carriers to create a competitive competition and ensure backup options, consolidated shipments, negotiate better rates, consolidate smaller loads LTL to into fewer larger shipments for the FTL. So this is the mode of transport, mode of optimization, shift to more cost effective modes like intermodal, rail, truck mix, and where possible. So this is the market leveraging points, building a strong negotiation position. Data-driven approach, increased volume and efficiency improvements. Present on your data-backed analysis to justify your desired rate adjustments. Negotiate volume discounts or incentives for committing to higher shipment volumes. Optimize routes, transportation for the consumption. So this is the contract fine print of the few reduction, auditing, and accessorial charges. Negotiate down or remove unnecessary like deduction, litigate charges, or rebate charges. Fuel surcharges or the transparency. Scrutinize how fuel surcharges or the calculator. Try to cap them for or use the fixed percentage. And understand the Incoterms, the clearly defined responsibility for the changes on the sales contract to avoid paying for the carrier cost you don't down. So the relationship and the operational improvements, carrier partnership, build long-term service, maintain enough distance to keep them competitive. So this is the optimize the load planning, reduce the wastage space and the product damage through the better packaging and automating for the lowest costs. So this is the strategic negotiation tactics for the rate optimization. Define your objectives, develop negotiation strategies, and communicate effectively. Define your objectives means clearly articulate your desired outcomes and target rate reductions. Develop negotiation charges means prepare alternative solution for the leverage points to address potential roadblocks. Communicative efficiently, maintain the collaborative tone and the and actively listen to understand the career perspective. So these are the strategic implementation plan and the timeline for the new contract, contract view, implementation and monitoring evaluation. Through the review, the final terms and new contracts, implementation means coordinate with the careers internal teams to ensure the smooth implementation, track key metrics and make adjustments as needed to ensure ongoing cost savings. Measuring success for the KPIs and the continuous improvement, 10% of the reduced cost on time, 90% of the on time delivery, 100% of the